Hello, this is Santo Artusa. I hope you're doing well with the corona craze. Today we're talking about a serious matters or concerns, alimony. One of the most dreaded words for high earning spouses, one of the favorite words of those that don't earn that much. I'm just writing or speaking today about alimony because it's important to know that it's very case specific. So many people call me wanting to know how much they're going to pay in alimony, how much they can pay. I can give them ideas of what they can pay, but it really varies on so many different aspects, such as the age of the parties, the length of the marriage, the education of the parties, the jobs they had in the past, the average earnings over many years. So it really can't be based on one home run year, if you will. Really needs to be based on what really happened in the marriage. The budget, the marital budget and lifestyle is probably the most critical thing. So if the parties were big savers, that'll come into play. Big spenders, lavish vacations, shopping, that's going to hurt the paying spouse. If they were frugal, that'll definitely hurt. That'll definitely hurt the less earning spouse. So the household budget is really key, that lifestyle, and throughout the case, you'll hear things like the rule of thumb of top income versus minus the lesser income times 25%. That's what the alimony number is. That is the rule of thumb, but that's not case law. That is not actually what it is. You could simply take that number and settle the case, because that's what the economic mediators or lawyers might try and do, just to get rid of the case. But you have to fight that. You have to keep fighting to get to an accurate number. And I've done so successfully for most of my clients, because you can't just take the number of that difference, because it could be much higher than what the number actually should be. Other factors include the children, the age of the children, how often you see them, the assets you have. If you have a lot of assets, you might be able to pay less alimony. You might be able to give up one asset or pay a higher percentage from that asset and pay a lesser amount of alimony. So you have a lot more to play with, if you will. Some clients come in with very high incomes but don't have assets. So then it becomes harder to negotiate because you don't have other things to offer. But again, the budget of the house, the standard of living, the quality of life that they live together, the age of the parties are critical aspects of coming to terms, reaching terms about alimony.